All right, so today I'm checking out this new 50-foot pressure washer hose that I got for my pressure washer. It comes with the 50-foot hose. It comes with your standard fittings on the end, and it comes with quick connect adapters so you can configure your pressure washer with quick connects so you can just quickly plug in and unplug this hose. So let me go ahead and get this outside and hooked up to the pressure washer so we can check it out. The hose kit that I got here is an M22 14 millimeter, right? So that is pretty standard for your gas powered pressure washers. And usually if you're going to hook up some of these accessories to an electric pressure washer, those electric ones are usually M22 15 millimeter. So they don't hook right up to each other with no problem. So I did have to buy an adapter, which I knew ahead of time and I already ordered. So this is what I would normally have when I would hook up the pressure washer and get ready to wash my RV. I would have it, here's the hose, comes out, and it only goes about 20 feet. Here it is, it ends right here. And here is where I put the coupler to extend this hose, and I have an M22 15 millimeter to M22 14 millimeter adapter. And now I've got the new hose put on there. This thing goes, of course, 50 feet. So here's the other thing I wanted to note on this. And I'm really liking this hose because this is like a soft feeling material. And it feels like it could touch and rub up against the RV and hit the RV and not scar it or cause problems. Now, the hoses you get with the typical pressure washer, they're very abrasive. They're very rigid. They don't bend real easy. So you're really having a hard time lugging these things around, tight places, especially if I'm trying to get up on the roof or spray something like that. These hoses are just really hard to work with. But this hose is super flexible. This one says it goes up to 3,300 PSI, 140 degrees. And this one is 140 degrees and 2,900 PSI. So it's actually got a higher rating than this hard, rigid hose. And now I've got this easy to work with light hose that just bends and moves around very easy. So now if I want to get up on the roof or get into some of those hard to reach areas like under the RV, I'm going to have absolutely no problem with this. I mean, even the spray gun feels lighter because it's not having this real heavy hose tugging on it. Pressure and everything is still really good. It even helps reduce some of the noise because I don't have to have that pressure washer right there in my ear the whole time. So I'm really liking this. The couplers make it really easy too because now I can just do everything quick connect on, quick connect off, roll it up and put it up. So another thing I liked about this hose too was these quick connects come with it, of course, but hooking the hose to the quick connects, they screwed on really easy. I mean, you really don't need any tools to put this together. You can just turn this, screw this on by hand, and it's got gaskets in there that seal it up all nice and tight. No leaking anything anywhere. And again, no tools really needed to put it together. You just screw it together. It's been really easy to work with and it's worked great. So yeah, very happy with the hose and I hope this was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all take care.